In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 70 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to Heat Sounds and Vibration. Then you can tap on Sound over here. Scroll and tap on Phone Ringtone to adjust vibration for incoming calls for SIM 1 and SIM 2 by clicking on Vibration section, selecting one of those patterns, hitting None, or synchronizing your vibrations with ringtone. You can also tap on Vibration here to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you're ready, scroll to tap on Message Tone and Notifications Tone. Then adjust vibrations for them the same way you did for your ringtone. Go back, scroll all the way down and hit More Settings to tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to switch it on or off, and this one next to System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!